So he's about to jump in the water.
There's a small bridge behind the waterfall.
What? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a brand new day in Sikiho. So today we are about to check out beautiful waterfalls, and as always, to share this experience with you guys. I'm Success, and I do travel videos around the Philippines. If you are new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and let's get started. So,
Black Lives Matter!
what's up, guys?
Hello,
How are you?
welcome to Secure Island, Philippines.
Thank you. So what do we do here before going to the waterfalls?
Actually, we have 13 waterfalls here.
13?
Yeah, 13 waterfalls. And this
Down
is,
here?
Yeah, and this is the main waterfalls we call Lunagson Falls.
Wait. You have 13 waterfalls in Sikiho or in this
Only
place?
here, only here.
13?
Yeah.
What? Alright, continue.
And after that, we have, except of that, the first one is the name of Lunagson Falls.
Alright, Lunasu.
And after that, except of that, there are 12 also waterfalls, but you need to trekking.
Okay, you need to
And
trek.
start to the beginning to follow the river going up.
Oh.
Like 20 to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes.
We need a guide also, with a guide.
Do we have a guy?
Yeah.
Do we need to hire a guy right now?
Yeah, here is a guide. I'm a guide, and there's always
No, our
guide.
friends are already down.
He told me that he wait with you also.
Yeah, we gonna meet them first. So if we're gonna hire a guy, we let you guys know later.
Okay. No problem.
Alright, let's ladies and gentlemen. So we are about to go to around 13 waterfalls, guys. 13, and the gas souvenirs here.
Yeah, dream
So
catcher.
you made this
I made this. Yeah,
dream catcher.
yeah dream
Oh.
catcher.
How much do you sell that?
Yeah, this is 400 pesos only.
All right.
Christmas.
Oh, all right. And you guys are having lunch.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium. Bonjour.
Yeah, look in the cocktail.
Oh, okay. You speak French in Belgium, right?
Dutch. I'm from the Dutch part.
Oh, Dutch part. So there are two parts of Belgium, French and Dutch.
Yeah.
I'm not French. I'm not French. All right. Enjoy your food. Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm from West Africa,
Where about in Africa?
Liberia.
Liberia.
Yeah, West Side boys. All right. See you guys later. Happy New Year. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to go to 13 waterfalls, but look here, guys. This really looks creepy, like witchcraft stuff and everything. So dream catcher, we have right here. Oh, so that's the entry to the waterfalls. So look at the entrance here. So you gotta go down right here. All right, let's go check out the beautiful waterfall they are talking about. He called the name. I'm gonna tell you guys the name later. And all of my friends are already down, so let's check out the way going to the waterfalls. 13 waterfalls, wow. Welcome to another adventure, guys. So Sikiho, damn, this place is actually amazing, guys. Like, you can do everything. There are a lot of things to do, a lot more to do. And as always, I bring raw vlogs. Hey, my friends, how are you? From the waterfalls?
Yeah.
What's the name of the waterfall?
Lunagson Falls.
Lunagson Falls. Travel with success. Lunagson Falls. We are heading now to Lunagson Falls in Sikiho. So it's very close to where I'm staying right now. I just changed hostels, and this waterfall is about 6 minutes away. So I just drove the scooter 6 minutes from my. It was not even 6 minutes. Yeah, but the map told me 6 minutes. So let's say 6 minutes. All right, guys. And if you are new here, I'm Success. I do travel videos around the Philippines. And if you want to support the vlog, support my travels around the Philippines to see more of, you know, these natural raw vlogs, authentic raw vlogs from the Philippines, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And as you know, I do it raw. I do it really raw for you guys, and to show you the reality. To show you the reality of it and everything about the Philippines. So see the way here. We are walking to the first waterfall, and later maybe explore around, check out the remaining like 12 waterfalls, because he said there are 13 waterfalls in this place. And hopefully later I could tell you guys more about this place. Yeah, no one is allowed to go here now because it might not be good anymore. Go down here. Okay, so now I'm starting to hear the water sound. And let's go see how beautiful this waterfall is. I'm really having fun in Sikiho, guys. I highly recommend Sikiho. Yeah, look at the trees, guys. The trees. You know, you got a waterfall in the nature right here. Wow, coconut trees. And the place is cool, like, you know, because the sunlight cannot reach here. The trees are actually covering up the entire place. Wow. And what I see is that they have a lot of signage here. Okay. So here is the waterfall, guys. And you already got people in the water. Wow. I love the place. I think it looks really cool. Look at this right here. All right, welcome to the waterfall. We don't have a tour guide to tell us more about these stones here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why they have 4 stones here. Do you know why?
No, it is pretty cool though.
Yeah.
I feel like if we all put our hand on it, like, I don't know, the gate might open in the waterfall.
There's no gate there, bro. Is it deep?
No.
Not really deep?
The deepest part is only like 7 feet.
Oh.
When we came in there was the guy jumping off of very close to the top.
Alright.
And landing in like 7 feet of water. Now he was probably like that, right?
Where you guys from?
Ireland.
Ireland. All of you guys?
Pretty much, yeah.
Alright.
You?
West Africa.
What part?
Liberia.
Ah, nice. I have to make it over there at some point.
Yeah, you should check out Africa. So, are you enjoying the Philippines?
Yeah. Sure.
Alright. And how do you see Sikiho?
What?
Sikiho, how's the place?
Yeah, this is probably our favorite place.
Oh yeah, me too, man. My favorite place.
Amazing.
Yeah, I think Sikiho is underrated because a lot of people don't talk about the beauty, and you know, people are talking about Boracay, different places, but Sikiho really has a lot of things. I saw the beaches here, the waterfalls. They are just so great and amazing, man.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Wow. I love waterfalls. So they said there are 13 waterfalls here, 13. No, the local stores, there are 13. Ladies and gentlemen, another thing is that I do believe this waterfall is absolutely free of charge. Unless you want to get a tour guide, then you could pay the locals. So we came here free, and I'm just gonna ask my friends, maybe they pay for us. Ken, did you guys pay? It's free, right? Free. All right, that's cool. Oh, wow, the water is freaking cold. I've done that before in Thailand. I just walked in the street. How deep is it? Alright. Do you know the meaning of these rocks? Like why they have the rocks here?
I don't know. Where's the guy? Maybe he can.
Oh yeah, what's the meaning of these rocks?
Huh? Dragon boat.
Dragon boys?
Yeah.
So,
So,
yeah,
it's supposed to be 7.
they said these are dragon balls. Yeah. Is it beautiful there? Is it beautiful?
You start down, you come up.
Oh, okay.
Not like this. Once you're like this, you're gonna touch the ground.
Alright.
Below, like.
Shout out to my boy Anthony on the vlog right now from Canada, and shout out to Chicago. Yeah! Yeah, guys, make sure to go follow him. What's your IG? What's your Instagram?
Oh yeah, Anthony Ollier.
Anthony O'Leary, he's
Yeah.
a very good photographer. Make sure to follow him. If you're in Chicago, link up with Anthony, man.
Thank you, man.
Sorry? No, I did. One more? I think so, yeah. But I need to relax for a few minutes. I'm so cool. Alright. Maybe. Ready to jump?
Yeah, that's now. You know, enjoy it a bit. Okay.
So guys, I'm about to go do a back flip. No, not a back flip, a front flip. I'm gonna do a front flip. You wanna do that? Ready? 3, 2.
What?
So we got the two guys. They're gonna jump from the top here in the water, and we are go this way. Go here. Go here. This place is not deep. Go here. Oh my God! Oh my God! These guys are really brave. Antonio, jump here. Yeah! Yeah! He did it! Yeah! The boy from Chicago! Oh my God!
Are you gonna do it?
No, not today.
That's not tomorrow.
Die another day.
No pain, no gain.
Yeah, I don't want to give. I'm not part of this game. I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer.
Are you? Yeah. He's a dancer too.
Oh, really?
No, I'm not. I'm a flipper only.
Flipper?
Divers.
Oh, diver.
Yeah.
Where are the other waterfalls?
Another way.
Up?
Yeah.
Oh, we have to go up.
Yeah.
I thought we go down.
Go down. We need to climb all the waterfalls.
The hunt for waterfalls in the Philippines, guys. Look at the way going to find a waterfall. Wow. Look at this, guys. The coconuts. They fell here and no one like ate the coconuts, and now this could grow into another coconut tree. Wow. It's really beautiful exploring the Philippines, guys. Like checking out these places. And sometimes when I do videos, most Filipinos tell me like, oh, we are from the Philippines, but we have never been there. The success has already been there. So see where I am right now, guys. Look here. Sometimes when my mother watches these videos, she's like, why did you go there? Like, what are you doing in the forest? Don't go to the forest. Yeah, I'm like, I'm like, she don't understand like what it means to, you know, explore these places, and how it really makes me feel happy doing this. Like, I really feel happy doing something right now. Like, I feel happy holding the camera, exploring around, documenting, and sharing my experiences with all of you guys. Yeah, that's the most interesting part, to share your experiences with people and then get, you know, their point of views and what they think about, you know, what you are doing, how they react to the things you show them and everything. And that's why before I used to edit my vlogs, I used to do montage and all of this music stuff, but I started doing raw vlogs because I mean, I want to share my life and everything to, you know, just raw. Like I want it raw. I don't want to modify and make everything to look beautiful, to color grade and do all of these things. Yeah, it's good, it's beautiful. I appreciate people who do those videos. I don't think that could be my style anymore. I'm just gonna do it raw. If I have five people supporting me, or 5 people watching my vlogs who could learn from them, who could learn from the vlogs and appreciate what I do, it is actually gonna makes me feel happy. Yeah. Oh, I saw something like a snake. Yeah, I saw something like a snake up there. All right, no trouble. Let me go in peace. And I can't wait to go back Africa some days to explore like this and show you guys around in Africa and the forest and the rainforest. We have all of these things, but we don't know the importance of them until you travel and you meet people from different countries. Then you learn to appreciate the things you have. Hello? Oh, you guys are doing laundry. I think I'm gonna do laundry here. Hey. All right, nice. So you come here to do laundry? Wash your clothes? So the locals usually come here to wash your clothes, hand wash. Hi. Hello. How are you? We do like this in Africa. That's hand washing. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes we do like this to wash your clothes. You see hands. Yeah. Yeah. So everyone come here to wash the clothes?
Yeah.
Laundry here, everyone? Oh, that's good. Wow. We also do that in Africa, guys. Hand washing without using the machine. And after washing, the water just go here. Hi, hello. Oh, you guys are doing backflip? I don't know how to do it. You want to teach me? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Nice, nice. Thank you, thank you. Oh. Wow. Is that a way going to the waterfalls? Damn. 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 Wow. Now it's time to go up. Oh, this ants. Oh. Oh, I gotta go fast. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to film a new movie called The Hunt for Waterfalls. we just got lost by this guy brought us here, right? Yeah, but anyways, there should be a reason we came here. Maybe we're gonna see something amazing. The truth is that, guys, we are lost. So, bro, the waterfall is going down, so it cannot come this way. It can never come this way. Yeah. Especially for the locals who are washing clothes down there, who doing laundry. They just walk around and, you know, explore the place a little bit. This is the main way.
Hey,
Oh, here's the road.
Bend back for a walk. Now we can around again.
I told you guys. Thank you, Koya. Thank you. Nice adventure.
Oh.
We do.
All right. This is really funny, guys. All right, guys. So I don't know what to say. Ken, please talk for me, guys. We were trying to find the second waterfall, and yeah, we found ourselves here looking for the.
It's here.
Where? We went this way and then we came back up. Two of us. Where?
From where we were, you can just hike. You need to hike along the river, you know.
Along the.
But here, I don't know. Maybe you go up there. There's some. I think there's some guides.
All right.
Ask them.